See, things come in life and things go. But I wanted to point out the obvious. We depend on the system so much that we'll go into the store and we'll buy things that are out of our price range. They're expensive, but yet they're labeled as organic. And we continue to do this because we're so used to just going in the store and getting things that we need, and it's convenient. But when are you going to take control of your life? Listen, that pandemic that we just had, that was not something that just comes and goes. That was a warning to all who depends on just the simple things of going to the store and getting their food. See, growing food doesn't take much. All it takes is the 5 basic things, or the 5 basic elements, which is yourself, dirt, water, patience, and time. And these things evolve around our lives on a consistent basis, which are completely free. And see, I want you to really think about this. Do you remember the Great Depression, of what they had to go through? Maybe you forgot. What happened back then was food was very scarce, but I'm here to tell you, let's change now. As you can see, I have all of these plants, delicious plants that are going to give me not only the nutrition that I need, but also provide for others in need. Must I say, with that patience and time, you will find that you will start to love the simple things as far as gardening, and the taste is divine. So sit back and enjoy this whole video, because I'm trying to tell you, this is what you call organic. When you can go outside in your backyard and you can take some lettuce and make a fresh salad, that is organic. I don't believe going in stores and getting those high expensive things, and somebody can always tell you that it's organic, but until you grow it, you won't know it. But understand this. Everything in life is designed for our purpose. It's for us to grow things. It's for us to adventure. It's for us to go beyond our measures of expectations. But of course, I need you guys' help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel as well. But moving on, when you start feeding yourself the greater things in life, you're gonna feel good. And when you feel good, you're gonna look good. And when you look good, everything's all good. But the main important things are, you are feeding yourself something that is timeless, something that came from very hands that you did. That's right. You took the time to plant, and patience to endure, and time to see the harvest, the fruits of your labor. So with that, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, but I'm gonna let you enjoy it some more. So stay strong, stay healthy, and stay in the spirit. And with that, I'll definitely see you in the next video.
strong, boy. You hear me? Yeah. I gotta cut it in. Ah, here we go. Woo!
All right.